Here, this will be a video chart on USNL. Had a couple questions on this one come in, and then pulling up the chart, seeing the big volume that happened today, and the profit takers did end up, closing it red on the day, but it was green, pretty close to the close. And with this big volume, as the saying goes, volume precedes price action. So we'll see if this big volume bar leads to any sort of upwards price action tomorrow and next week. But if it does, try to get a video up here a little bit before things really start to get interesting. So on that note, what's going to have to happen in order for things to get interesting? So I'll map out some resistance levels, and that'll be pretty much the core of the video. So first things first, hopefully the chart is found bottom down here. Granted, this is a 000 stock, and I usually don't do these too often, but with 000 stocks, they can make some huge moves. People love them, and the organic momentum that they can generate can be pretty impressive. So, but the key is you kind of got to find them early, because once these things get moving, they really do, basically start sprinting. So that's why I figured, hey, if I can get this right now, people will know at least to keep an eye on it. But anyways, hopefully, found a bottom down here at 0002. And you can see there, then formed a little bottom here at 0003, and has been, putting in, higher highs during this little miniature upwards move here. But the key thing is going to be this level of resistance right here. Let me move this up here, and I'll explain why this is an important level and where it comes from. But this level right here at 0006, that was the high of today. And it's a very important level of resistance because, as you can see here, it was a very important level of support for basically 2.5 weeks straight. And then when the price did fall below it, you can see here, that's right where it turned into resistance. So no surprise that that's where the price got, where the profit taker stepped in, because this was a previous support, now a resistance. So 0006 is really going to be the key level of resistance. I guess I shouldn't say that. The best way to probably put this is talk about it in terms of a resistance zone, because up here at 0008 you have the same area of resistance. So the best way to put it is between 0006 and 0008. These are going to be the two key levels of resistance, but then check out if the price can clear above these, then maybe you have some resistance up here, maybe some way up here. But the point being, check out how the space between these levels of resistance. So this is what I'm talking about when I say 000 stocks can get running. If it can break through this zone here, again between 0006 and 0008, the chart could get very interesting very quickly. So that's why I wanted to get it mapped out. Am I saying for sure that's what's going to happen? Of course not. But at the same time, do I think it's worth keeping an eye on and seeing how things play out? Yeah, it could shape up and turn into a very interesting play, but only time will tell. So we'll see if the price can retest this 0006, and if it can get above there, see how it acts during and through this area of resistance here. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to check out bullwarriorstocks.com. If you go there and sign up for the free newsletter, you'll be sent a free ebook. With your newsletter subscription, you'll get chart setups, trade ideas, educational pieces, all sorts of things, from big boards down to penny stocks. It is all free, so I'd encourage you to go to the website, sign up, and see what it's all about. We've been making some good money together, so it's worth at least giving it a try. Also, leave your comments below. Let me know if you think it'll be able to break through this resistance zone, and just give me your thoughts on the chart in general. One more time, this was USNL. Thanks for listening.